Hello everyone. Today we will have a new lesson about collaborative ICT development. Web portal. A website that contains information from different sources and places them in one location in a uniform way. A web portal is a specially designed website that brings information from diverse sources like emails, online forums, and search engines together in a uniform way. Yahoo. Yahoo. It provided a web portal, search engine Yahoo Search, and related services including Yahoo Directory, Yahoo Mail, Yahoo News, Yahoo Finance, Yahoo Groups, Yahoo Answers, advertising, online mapping, video sharing, fantasy sports, and its social media website. Yahoo.com offers a web portal where news, email, weather, etc. are found in one place. Yahoo is an internet portal that incorporates a search engine and a directory of worldwide websites organized in hierarchy of topic categories. As a directory, it provides both new and seasoned web users the reassurance of a structured view of hundreds of thousands of websites and millions of web pages. It also provides one of the best ways to search the web for a given topic. Since Yahoo is associated with the most popular web search sites, if a search argument doesn't lead to a Yahoo topic page, it will still lead to results from the 6 or 7 popular search engine sites Yahoo links to. According to the site's official FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions list, Yahoo stands for Yet Another Hierarchical Officious Oracle. Yahoo began as the bookmark list of two Stanford University graduate students, David Philo and Jerry Young. After putting their combined bookmark list organized by categories on a college site, the list began to grow into an internet phenomenon. It became the first such directory with a large following. Philo and Young postponed their graduate work and became part of a public offering for a multi-million-dollar corporation. As of October 2005, Yahoo was serving approximately 3.4 billion page views worldwide. Facebook groups. Use to create a group page that will allow people in your group to communicate your ideas. Facebook groups are spaces on the social media network for friends, acquaintances, or people with similar interests to discuss or share about broad or narrow topics. Wordpress allows you to multiple contributors for a single blog. WordPress is a factory that makes web pages is a core analogy designed to clarify the functions of WordPress. It stores content and enables a user to create and publish web pages, requiring nothing beyond a domain and hosting service. Google Drive and Microsoft Office Online allow multiple people to work on different Office files and even have their own group's cloud storage. Google Drive allows users to store files on their servers, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Microsoft Office or simply Office is a family of client software, server software, and services developed by Microsoft. Microsoft's Yammer offers companies to have their own social network that allows sharing and managing content. Yammer is a premium enterprise social networking service used for private communication within organizations. Trello offer an online to-do checklist for your entire team. Trello is a collaboration tool that organizes your projects into boards in one glance. Trello tells you what's being worked on, who's working on what, and where something it is in the process. That's all for the discussion about collaborative ICT development. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.